Spring is coming, and you know what that means. Sun 1 minute and rain the next. How about if we show you a way that you can go from enjoying the sun to staying dry from the rain really fast? And that's with the Sunrider from Bestop. So now, why would you want to replace the Freedom panels in your hardtop with the Sunrider from Bestop? Well, I mean, you know, the Freedom panels are great. You know, take a couple minutes to put in, take out, and then if you take them out, you got to put them in the storage bag so they don't get scratched. And then you got to find a place to store them, like in the bed or maybe in the back with the kids and the dogs and the beach ball, or yeah, you just leave them in the garage. But then if it rains, all of a sudden you're going to get wet till you get home. Or you could just pull over and reach behind you, grab that Sunrider from Bestop, pull it down over the top and lock it in place, and you are nice and dry and good to go. So let's get this thing installed. And of course, to install it, we got to pull the Freedom panels off. So the first up are the door rails, and you put them in with the Bestop logo to the back. Next up is the deck assembly. And that's it, we're done. Bestop Sunrider is installed. And it was easy, it's high quality, and it's functional. Here, you're driving down the road. It's beautiful sunny day and boom, you get hit with that stray rain cloud. What do? You just pull off to the side of the road, reach up behind you, pull the Sunrider down and latch it in. You're done. It's dry, you can continue on down the road, and you didn't have to worry about figuring out where did you put those Freedom panels. Are they still in storage in the garage or what? You're ready to go. And this is factory quality. Yeah, factory quality. Bestop has been building OE tops for the Jeep vehicles for more than 30 years, for the Wrangler vehicles for more than 30 years, including the Gladiator soft top. The Gladiator soft top we pulled off in the last video, that was built by Bestop for the factory. So you know that this Sunrider is going to seal good, it's going to be quiet, and it's going to last a long time. Now, not only do they do soft tops and high quality soft tops, but they do doors and bumpers and soft goods and so much more. The Bestop name is huge. They even build these really cool floor liners that we're going to install in the Giveaway Gladiator right now. Factory floor mats are held in by 2 pins that stick up from the carpet, and they just have little grommets that snap over the top of the pins. And out comes the floor mat. We take the new Bestop floor liner and we're going to slide it in. And you can see it's perfectly molded. It fits the floor pan perfectly. And the 2 little grommets line right up with the pins, snap them on down, and that's it. That's all there is to install the Bestop floor liners. You can see that was real quick and easier, even easier than the Sunrider. One of the things we really like about this is that how perfectly fit it is to the floor, and you've got the sides that come up to kind of protect it from getting more debris down alongside your floor mats. So there you have it, 2 quick and easy projects from Bestop. The Sunrider, which of course is quick and easy to install and even quicker and easier to open and give you that open air Jeep experience. And when it's time to close down, bang, close it, hit the latches, you're done. The floor liners, they'll help keep those carpets looking brand new. So check out down below, description box, where you'll find links to find these products at Northridge 4x4. You'll also find a link to where you can find out how to enter to win this Giveaway Gladiator. Also down there is the like button, the subscribe button, the little notification bell, and a comment box. Leave us a comment. Would you like to put a Sunrider on your Jeep? Until next time, thanks Northridge Nation.